Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Production and Operations Management. And today's session is on types of layout. So there are various types of layout like product layout, fixed position layout, service facility layout, process layout, cellular manufacturing layout, combined layout. Now the first is the product layout. In this product layout, straight line or layout for serialized manufacture, uh, arrangement of machines in one line which is depending on the sequence of operations, and the materials are fed in the first machine are finished products which comes out from the last machine like sugarcane mill and paper mill. Now this is the layout of the, you can say, product the layout of the product. You see here, this RM is the raw material and WC is the work center. So these are the raw materials which are receiving, and these raw materials here stores, and after transforming it into fabrication line of part A, there is a fabrication line of part B, and this is the fabrication line of part C. So every A, B, C are doing their work. Like these are the work centers. Fabrication line of part A works on this WC1, part B works on this WC2, and C for WC3. These all the three workstations center, you can say. And after this test, packing and shipping, finished goods stores, these are the finished goods. So these are the product layout. Now next is the fixed position layout. This is the, you can see the fixed position layout in this image. This movement of man and machines to the product, bulky product like aircraft assembling, ships, etc. Now fixed position, like in this raw materials, you put it into their machines and equipments and labors. In this are aircraft assembly. Then finally we get the finished product like aircraft. This is the fixed position. And next is the service facility layout. This service is the oriented industries like banks, hospitals, etc. You see here, this is a parking area, casualty and impatient impatient department and the parking area. So this is the, of course, exit and entry. This is the hospital ward, and these 3, 4, 5 are the hospital ward. This is the surgery, radiology or parking area. So you have to draw this layout. What are the facility you are providing? Okay, like these are the special ward. These are, doctors are found there, and nurses are here. Cafeteria. These are parking areas. So you can find out there where is the parking area and where is the hospital wards. You can find it easily from this layout. Now come to the process layout. This is the functional layout job, layout or job lots manufacture or batch production layout. This involves grouping of like machines in one department, like general purpose machines. Now this is the process layout. This is the path flow of the material for part A. In this you see here truck unloading clock. This inward goods stores, raw material holding stores, turning shop, lathes, drilling shops, milling machines, planners, automatic, and these all are the, so these are the paths from which this goes to the this tuning shop, then this drill shop, then after this there, and after milling machines, grinding is performing. After grinding there is some inspection area which is followed by, and after that designing to be done, and after designing finished good storage. So these are the process where you have to follow this path. You can say these are the sections which from which you have to your product is going from initial to final stage. Now come to the cellular manufacturing. In cellular manufacturing, machines grouped into cells. So each cell is formed to produce a few parts of the common characters, like cell 1, cell 2, and there 3 4 cells are there. So these are the cells whose working is like this. Cell 2, the working is like this, part A, part B in cells 4. So this oval shape means the production operation, and arrow means the production or material flow, from where the production is flowing. Okay, so this is the cellular manufacturing. Now come to the combined layout. In combined layout, the combination of different types of layout, like product layout and the process layout, you see in this diagram. This is the forging press, heat terminal furnace, gear cutting machines, cutting machines, gear grinding machines. This is the product layout, in which raw materials are going into FP, means forging press. After completing of this forging press, the thing goes to the GC, that means gear cutting machines. After gear cutting machines, this will transfer to the heat transfer furnace. After this heat HT section, the next final product is goes to the GC, that is gear cutting machines. Then finally we will reach the finished product gears. Now here I would like to tell you about the revisions of layout, like revision of existing layout, minor changes to complete dismantling of the existing structures to increase the operating efficiency of the plant. So because expansion, technological advancement, improvements in the layout, it should be revised somehow. So in the planning, layout planning, retail layout caters in this grid is there. So the rectangular with the parallel SLs, formal controls traffic flow, use selling space efficiency. So these are the things which are which is the layout of the retail. So you have to show in this grid form. Now this is a free form. There's no symmetry, but whereas as compared to this, there is some type of symmetry, like they are parallelly, horizontally, like see cafeteria is like this, but there is so mess up, like wherever the space required, so there should be placed. Okay, so it is free flowing, informal, creates friendly environment, flexible. So there is no discipline types. Boutique means unique shopping environment, divides stores into a series of individual shopping areas, and this each with its own theme. Everybody is free to choose their theme as per their theme. He can do he can use their theme. Okay. Now the case study, like the McDonald's, like in this you see here, this is the use of McDonald's, use this picture. Okay, so McDonald kitchen layout is like this: cashier counters, French fries, and this is processing and packaging platform. So this is the layout of McDonald kitchen. Now thank you so much for this session. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jayati Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.